There's a new C63.
Yee. Oh no!
So, you guys know the whole AMG story, right? So, I snapped an axle in our car, and the replacement axle has not arrived yet. But my mom is coming back today, so we're gonna go buy her a new car to replace the AMG right now.
Yeah. Solid plan. Yeah. She'll never know the difference.
She'll never know the difference.
Alright, well I guess we wait now. Look at that tow vehicle and the vehicle being towed. They were in the same accident together, they're just gonna split the fees. Oh boy, it done rolled up. Done did it.
There's a new C63. This is the 2019 model, guys.
2019
Yeah.
C63, looking good.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. Jeffrey. Adele. Nice to meet you. I had it for like 5 years, but it's been in the family for a while now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you guys want to check it out?
Yeah.
I'll show you guys.
What the hell?
Here's my brother. So it was hit here once, and then they re-weld the whole thing. When it gets hot sometimes, it gets like, it starts, I think it bogs a little, because I think it's these sensors right here. See, the wires broke off.
Okay.
And I got a
What's the displacement on this engine?
Sure. 1.6.
Oh, 6.2 liter, okay.
We're buying this to replace a C63 AMG.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's
Puffy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew I recognized you.
Really?
Yeah,
You know?
YouTuber, man. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I should have just known.
That's pretty nice. I like it. Probably six knows what they have.
So, no heater, no AC.
Yeah, no AC.
But all the stuff is under the dash.
Yeah.
But no compressor.
Yeah, no compressor.
No lines?
No lines, nothing.
You have nothing AC stuff in here, only stuff under the dash.
Yeah.
What'd you guys paint it with?
It's just those Rust-Oleum ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Rust-Oleum silver, man. Yeah. So it's not too bad, right?
No, it looks good.
Yeah.
So, what is that for suspension?
Front, it's just cut springs.
Uh-huh.
The rear has
Stock shocks on the front?
No, I'm not too sure.
Okay.
I think it is.
I
think it is.
KYBs in the back.
Yeah.
And the making rears in the rears.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay. And bushings and stuff? Are they all original?
Yeah.
Alright, should we take a test drive?
Yeah.
Yo, these seats are actually really comfy.
This is the pump. So it'll pump the back seat. You feel it?
What?
Yeah.
That's so cool!
Yeah. And then you push the button, and it goes down.
Whoa.
Yeah. So this is all 86.
Wow, so it's like
Yeah.
pump up bolsters.
Yeah.
Oh, you mentioned it has ACT collection, huh?
Yeah. It's
$6?
You know, it's just a street one, but it's their extreme. I forgot what it was called. Extreme pressure plate with the. But it's just their street.
So it should be a bit. Oh, it's not a bad collection at all. It's really nice, actually.
Yeah.
Ooh, no power steering.
Bye.
Picks up.
It has like a. I think it needs like a heater and core valve. That's all you have to do with the whole plumbing and everything too. I don't know why.
And the headlights work. That's the best part. That's the make it or break it part. The headlights, they have to work. It's pretty cool. We have sound system too?
Yeah, it's just like cheap.
It's better than nothing.
It's an open diff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like the AMG basically. Same
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, gun it.
Oh, this thing wants to be above 5K all the time. What's the idle supposed to be at on this car?
Normally, like right around 9 to 1,000 around there. Yeah, so this car does idle a little high, but
Broom, broom.
Shit's way better than I expected.
Yeah, no, it's nice. It's really nice. You're gonna leave me trapped in? Thank you, sir. 511, still put back there.
Would you like 5,500 for it?
can you go a little higher? Like,
This is the fun part to record.
Yeah?
yeah.
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 Okay.
All
Deal.
right, that sounds good, man.
Perfect.
I'm glad it's
Let's
going
do the
to you
paperwork.
guys. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you'll see.
I've wanted. I've been looking for Hachis for years, dude. And it's just like, fuck. I like this one.
I'm glad it's going to you guys, man.
Yeah.
Nikita, like, dude, he's been talking about getting a Corolla for like years.
Yeah, man, the hatches are very expensive now, you know? And we're like, we're not gonna do that tofu tax or anything.
Yeah. We appreciate it. He's happy now. Because, dude, he has like 2 or 3 cars, but none of them work.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's how all of us
Yeah.
are, right?
That's why he's like, dude, I needed. It was like either get this or get like an IS 300 wagon.
Oh,
you know, and he was deciding. And then this came up
I was
yesterday.
literally gonna buy a wagon like in the next couple of days, but like I saw this and I was like, fuck the wagon.
Dude, making dreams come true. Yeah.
Okay. Seller's name.
All the angles. Hey, you're fucking professional. Congratulations, Nikita.
Dude, I'm so fucking stoked. This thing is awesome.
So happy.
I can cross that off the bucket list now,
Yes,
dude.
you can.
It's been in my bucket list for ages. I have to have a Corolla one day.
I'm gonna see you start it. Oh wow! 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 Nice, looking good, Nikita.
Oh boy.
Well, what an exciting day. Congratulations to Nikita. That was like a bucket list item for him. So, and he's been looking for an 8.6 for a very long time. So now he has a new daily driver. This kid. So, yeah, all right, now back over to the shop.
This car is good, dude. It's freaking solid. It revs so high. I don't know what the red line is. It just keeps revving. Like,
Happy purchase by Nikita.
yeah, this motor doesn't like to be like below 5K. Like, it's really fun to drive because you have to keep it pinned like above 5K. If you're on a freeway and you want to merge, you gotta like double downshift on. It's so much fun.
Interior's nice and clean. What is it? How many miles?
260 basically.
260,000 miles. Oh wow, it's actually really good condition for 260,000.
Yeah, tell me about it, right?
My car was like beat, and it has like 240, I think, thousand.
My car doesn't have that.
Wow. That door is so long. Jeez. It's like, yeah, 3 widths of a person.
You know, like how sometimes you get in the car and you're like, oh, this feels right. Like if you get another 240 and you're like, oh, it feels correct, you know? It's like the same feeling this car gives me. It's like, it's just right. The shifter feels right. The heel toe feels right. The throttle response is right. The clutch is right. It's just like, it just feels natural to drive. It feels like the way it's supposed to, like a proper car. It's very responsive to the motor. Very responsive. Because it has a flywheel and stuff, and plus it's so light as it is. It's very nice.
Yee.
That bolt is loose. Oh no, let me fix.
Wow, we got scammed on this car. Could you believe that? Could you believe that? Oh my goodness.
The bolt was loose.
The bolt was loose. Complete ripoff. Wow, look at that. Look at that. A86.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, it even has the windshield washer body. Like, what the hell, dude? This car is so put together. It has everything. Everything you could want.
Samco radiator hoses. Nice. Well, bye-bye, Nikita. He needs to go to work now. Make some more money to buy the car. Whoa. Bye.
Put the MG on the screen.
Oh my god. Oh, he's so happy. Good for him. Jack, my impact on my wrenches and stuff like that. Torque wrench, camera stuff, and we should be good. Let's go save Nikita. Still got another 40 minutes to go. About an hour away from me. But we're gonna save Nikita. We got this. Let us see. Oh no!
I don't know how that happens. It was a brand new tire, and I didn't even drift or anything, and this thing is still laminated. I don't understand.
Maybe camera wear on the inside, I don't know.
There isn't the camber wear. The tread inside is pristine.
Interesting.
It happened like after I kind of like gripped the on-ramp, which meant that tire was offloaded.
Yeah, it's offload, yeah.
It's really free. Thank you so much for coming, bro.
Now we gotta get the goodness. Hopefully the trunk is still unlocked, you know?
All right, while you were driving, I looked up the jacking points.
Oh, nice.
Oh my, this thing's kind of low.
That's right, boy. It's missing one?
Yeah, it is. Scammed, bro.
Scammed. Fake tire, fake lug nut.
Bruh, what camber wear? You see that?
Oh wow, yeah, just separated.
And look, it's not like it was flat either because it wasn't pulling up until like 2 seconds when it delaminated, when it split apart.
Interesting. Not bad for
Yeah, that was sketchy because this happened when I was doing like 80 miles an hour with my mom in the car. Dude, it was so funny. My mom was like all upset, what is this car, right? And I'm like, it's your car. And she's like, so like upset, she's like, you paid how much for Corolla? And then I'm like, okay, I'll share it with the sink in there, right? So I start, I mobbed the on-ramp and I'm flooring, doing like 80 miles an hour down the road, and it's like boom, 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 boom. And the car's like, oh fuck! Oh my god, dude, my mom was not happy.
Oh, yeah.
She actually left me. She got an Uber home. She didn't want to deal with my shit.
Doesn't have time for
Yeah, whatever. She doesn't like me very much.
So now, remember from LDC1 guys, the original drift car, I had a weird set of Riken meshes, and one of them was a 15x7 plus 7, while the other 3 were 15x7 plus 0. So this is the one I couldn't get rid of or sell because it was a 15x7 plus 7 and no one really wanted to buy it. So lucky for Nikita. Look at those nice hand-cooked tires,
Nice.
camber wear.
Dude, it looks like the same one.
I know, that's what I'm saying. The Riken, it's like perfect for this car.
I know, it's really perfect. This is from your original car.
Yeah, original car, yeah.
The one weird offset.
Yeah, it's from like 2013.
Dude, coming in clutch right now,
know,
right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cool. It's so weird having 4 lug nuts.
I have a torque wrench.
Oh!
Yeah.
Did not realize.
No.
Why am I doing this?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was like, what are you doing? Nikita thinks I came here without a torque wrench. Who does he think I am?
I mean, yeah, you're the type of guy who doesn't bring a torque wrench. That's who you are.
I know, but, you know, come on. For you,
Dude,
baby.
you're the best. I love you, Adele.
Yeah, I know.
Honestly.
I got you. I got you, man.
Did you bring it up? Oh yeah,
It's on the back.
Dude, that fitment's good.
How much faster it is when you have like a jack and an impact?
Way faster. Nikita buys Corolla and immediately breaks.
This is, look, see the mesh? Slightly different mesh, but still a mesh.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Looks the same to enter and die.
Yeah.
Thank you, Adele.
No problem. Gas station. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
You can smell it.
Yeah, it only rubs when I turn, really.
Yeah, no, it's just right here. Right, so this is the key to all these old cars. You remove this, all right? You go back. Oh, you want to do it? Here, yes, do the honor. Dude, the metal's sharp. Jesus.
This way. Oh.
Hey. There you go. See this little springy boy right here? Doesn't want to do its job.
Yeah, this exhaust is super annoying. See how it's like all dangling and shit, right? That's the noise that makes it hit a bump. It's like a clang in the back.
Dude,
The hangers is
quality.
so
Come on. It's all good. It's all good. Wow.
Weight reduction. Smaller tanks, bro. It's like a race car.
Bye, Nikita.
What's up? Can you tell me what's rubbing?
Okay.
I'm gonna go back. Go backwards?
Sure. So that noise right there we determined was just a sticking brake pad, so went ahead and just continued driving the car as is. Next day, of course, this happens.
Not again! Whoa!
So there is the replacement wheel and tire up front, once again sliced open and completely flat. And Nikita posted all this on Instagram, so I'm just going to narrate word for word what he said. This tire failed in the same exact way, inner sidewall split open. I'm suspicious. It's almost as if something is rubbing up against the tire and slicing it open. Car has cut springs, so spring popped out of the perch and punched the tire. I don't know if it just did that or the first time the spring also popped out. But I've been driving the car hard, so the spring was definitely seated since last time. But last time the tire popped after a hard right turn, which is when the right spring gets unloaded and is at risk of popping out. My theory is that both tire explosions were caused by the spring coming off the perch. However, when we jacked up the car the first time, the spring reseated itself, so we didn't notice it. This is my favorite, not driving that car again until I get coilovers. So, anyways, Nikita is getting replacement OEM AE86 stock springs, so he's just gonna put those in up front for right now, and then in the meantime work on getting some coilovers for the 86. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Congratulations to Nikita, of course, for finally getting an AE86 after all these years. And I'm actually gonna be recording the videos for the AE86 to put up on this channel as well. So if you wanna stay tuned on all that, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.